Welcome to our campaign. We're introducing a simple yet powerful way to tackle plastic waste: plastic bag braiding to create cordis.
First, let's acknowledge the massive challenge we face with plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is not just a problem for today, it's a planetary generational issue, impacting every corner of our globe and its ecosystems. By seeking a second life for everyday items like shopping bags, we extend their utility and draw much-needed attention to the waste crisis. This brings us to Cordis, the solution we're promoting to repurpose those piled-up plastic bags at home. Cordis is simply a strong, durable cord created by braiding plastic bag strips. It's easy to make and highly effective for repurposing waste. Cordis can be used for so many things: crafting, tying, or even weaving larger, durable items. It offers multi-usages for your home and projects.
Ready to get started? Here is a quick tutorial on how you can make your own cordis right now. First, take your plastic bags and cut them into long strips. Aim for consistent width for a uniform cord. Next, use a simple 3-strand braiding technique, just like braiding hair, to turn those strips into a strong, resilient cord. For thinner cord, use narrower strips. For thicker cord, use wider ones. Experiment to find the perfect thickness for your projects. Join us and turn your pile of plastic bags at home into valuable cordis. Every bag repurposed makes a difference.
Don't forget to share your Cordis creations and projects online using our campaign hashtag. Inspire others with your innovation.